Okay guys, let's get into this box and see what we got going on. First off, we have the unit here. We'll get to that last. Yes, my favorite wig caps. These are the, I think are they HD? Yeah, they're HD wig caps. They're super thin. I love these wig caps. I don't care what nobody say about the wig caps. I love that one. It stay in place. It don't slide. It's my juice. We got a pair of, oh my god, my daughter gonna love these. Call her as soon as I finish this video to come get this. Girl, them too much lashes for me. They too much. And then we got, of course, a Wet Kiss. Thank you, Wet Kiss, for this band. It's got the Velcro. Yes, I love those bands. I do. Okay, we got a bonnet. Not upset about this. Oh, I didn't tell y'all about my bonnet. I'm gonna tell y'all about my bonnet after this. Okay, but this is a light silk bonnet. We got another, you know, baby hair or edges comb. I don't do either one, so we good with that. And a silk bag, my favorite card. Yes, with Wet Kiss, y'all are on my list. Love yourself. Start from Wet Kiss hair. Yes. I love this bag. Okay, I'm sorry y'all, I get so excited about the bags. And let me tell y'all about my bonnet. Don't let me forget. I'm gonna tell y'all. Let me show y'all the hair. We got a HD lace, medium cap size, 5x5, 18 inches. Y'all see that? Now I was a little, you know, adventurous with this unit here, honey, because it's the color pretty much of my brother's natural hair almost. You know, that sandy red kind of color. I don't know where he got it from, but yes, I said he stayed in the sun too long. But what's most intriguing, y'all, was the most simplest thing. This hairline and these two braids, baby. This is a pre-cut, already cut hairline. You see that? If I move that, y'all can kind of see what it looks like. Perfectly cut right at the edges. That's perfect. Yes. And can y'all see that sandy red color? Yeah, this is gonna be cute in the summer. And these curls, girl, they popping. They popping. On the inside, we have the band, which I like, which I know I'm gonna go ahead and loosen up for this, you know, big head of mine. There we go. Yes, and it's got the little grippies, you know, to make it stay in place. Oh, this is a nice cap. You got two combs. Thank you very much for them combs. I love the combs. Whether I use them or not, I want them. I might want to use them. I need them to be there. And we got a comb in the back with the tag. And of course, all my wigs are 22 inches to fit my, you know, medium size head. But I say it's big because it's a you know, medium size. This hair is pretty, y'all. Look at this. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. It doesn't smell like anything. I just had to smell it. Just a real slight chemical smell. Just a slight. Look at them braids. Ain't that pretty? And that lace is already pre-bleached. You don't get a lot of lace in there, which is cool because this is a lot of hair, and I'm fine with that. We gonna just, it's gonna take us 2 seconds to pop this baby on and see what she working with. Okay, thank you, Wet Kiss hair, and thank you for all these little gifts, y'all. I love my gifts and my satin bags. This is one of the soft ones. Can y'all hear how it's not crunchy? Yes. Now let's pop it on to tell y'all about my little bonnet. Y'all, this is a real silk bonnet. Real silk bonnet. It came from YANIBEST. These are affordable. I will definitely put the link in the description. It says hair health treatment, your trustable hair helper. Hair soft, moisturized, tangle free, and anti-frizz. And you get a if I didn't tell you, with your little bonnet, you know, which I don't have enough hair to wrap this in, but we'll wrap my wigs up just fine. Okay, but you get the little matching thing to go with it. And not only did I get the This is two-sided if I didn't tell you. I'll show y'all when I take it off. It's a two-sided silk bonnet, baby. Oh, and I got it on backwards. I didn't notice this. Look at here. You can tighten it up if you want to make it tighter. There's a little thing right there, okay? And apparently this goes around the back like that, and I had it in the front. But it's two-sided. You can flip it over and wear the other side. They got a lot of different colors. It's up to you what you do with it. I just wanted, because it's got that little YANIBEST name on it, I wanted that in the front. But you can wear it on the green or the gold side. But hold on, y'all. Hold on. They got shower caps too. Yes, ma'am. And these are extremely affordable. Y'all know I wouldn't be telling y'all about them. Look at this shower cap, which I'm definitely going to put in the shower with me tonight when I wash this makeup off. I got to put it on, y'all. I got to put it on. I know this is supposed to be about the big wig. Just stay with me. Stay with me. Girl, it's got a little ridge in there. Can y'all see that? To make the cap secure, that little rubber ridge that runs along there. All the way around. You see it? So water can't get in, baby. Okay, I want to put it on with makeup. Yes, I am. Oh, yes. And my hair won't get wet. I think I like the shower cap the best. This is nice. And y'all know I don't have a lot of hair, so it's a lot of room in here, honey. And it's, I don't know the material. Oh, I didn't want to get makeup on it. But I'm sure I just did. I did a little bit. Can y'all hear it? It's that shower where to repel water and keep your hair from getting wet in the shower. Okay. Alright. Thank you, Yanni. I will put all the information for Yanni in the description. My head kind of got cold. This thing is pretty warm. And this is a real soft, satiny silk. This is silk. Oh, I love this. Okay, this ain't what it's about. This ain't what it's about. I'll put the information, y'all, for Yanni in the bottom. We finna hop into this wig review, y'all. All we gotta do is put this baby on. This little bit of lace is cut perfectly. Only thing we gotta do is pop her on and see what she working with. Before I put her on, I'm gonna spray her a little bit because my arms be getting tired, y'all. I just want to wet her down just a little bit. This color is so freaking pretty. I was worried about it being too red and too off, but baby, this is just right. Cause I can't reach way back here. I ain't even gonna try it. I'm just gonna get her nice and wet. I ain't even gonna put no well, I better go ahead and put my powder in there too. Y'all know I use my foundation, Fenty Beauty powder, face powder, just to give me some, you know, my skin tone on the lace. Cause like I always say, they ain't gonna never be able to match the lace for everybody, honey. Cause we all like the rainbow. We too many different colors. All right, let's put this on. It's gonna be completely glueless, no spray or nothing. I'm excited. Yeah, that fits good. That fits real good. Ooh, wait, and that blends one perfectly. Okay, Wet Kiss, where have you been all my life? Y'all see that? Oh my goodness. Do y'all see that hairline? You're gonna have to wait. Whoever takes me, you got to wait. You got to wait. You got to wait. Oh my. Can y'all see? Let me get close. Can y'all see that hairline? The way that lace is cut, I ain't gotta trim it. I ain't gotta do nothing to it. Baby. Ooh. Okay. Let me put a little more water. Okay, I got my summer hair, y'all. And y'all not gonna believe, I got a few more wigs, y'all, that I gotta bring with y'all. But y'all gonna be seeing this one here. It's light. It's not heavy. This hair is not tangling. Y'all, let me put a little bit of put some mousse in it. Ain't nothing for me to do to this hair but go out the door. And that braid is everything. Oh wee, and this color that I was so worried about, I was worried for nothing, honey. Look at this. This is beautiful. Okay, wet kiss hair, you are on my radar, baby, because honey, this is beautiful. I love everything about this hair. If you're looking for something that you know you don't want to have a lot of lace to deal with, you don't want to have to cut no lace, baby, this is it. And a little bit of color that don't make me look, you know, too out there like I'm trying to bring back the 70s, honey. Baby, this is it. I love this. This is nice. I can't stop. Okay, I'm gonna stop. I ain't gonna make this video longer than what it has to be, honey, but I'm gonna get this hair right. This is all. This is all I need to do with it. I wonder, where's my brush? Can I brush in it? Okay, we got a little bit, just a little bit. A little bit of shedding. It's curly hair. It's pre-cut, so that little bit is not bothering me. It ain't bothering me at all. Get my big old comb. Oh yeah, look at that. Couldn't find a brush, but this comb doing what I want it to do. I can comb through it, honey. And it's big. Yes, this is my summer hair, honey. This is my summer hair. Wear it like this. Or as I normally do, put it up in a little ponytail. That braid. Girl, that hairline. This wig is it for me. This wig is it. Look at that. I ain't put nothing on the part now. This just me throwing it on my head to show to y'all. Now these little things right here, I'm not a fan of, but I'm gonna act like I like it, okay? Cause I know y'all do. A lot of y'all like these little things, but I don't. So I'm just gonna act like I like it right there, okay? I don't even need the band. Thank you for the wet band, wet kiss. I'll use it when I get another wig. Oh, when I get another one of you guys' units. Cause baby, this here is everything. I don't need to put a band. I don't need to put a glue. I don't need to spray it. It's tight. Let me let y'all see the back. I'm over. Girl. This wig is on. This baby is on. Nice and tight. Ooh. Okay. Don't say I didn't tell y'all. I'm gonna put the link below. This is wet kiss hair. Baby. Ooh. Okay, let me quit talking. Okay, all right, girl, this is pretty. Okay, I hope you have a wonderful, blessed day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Don't say I didn't tell y'all about wet kiss.